Say Happy Memorial Day.
Happy Memorial Day. Yay.
Yay. It's really hot out.
It's not even like easy.
But, you know, whatever. It's so nice out. Kara's making some burgers for her. And I got myself some.
You have me burgers.
I know, but I don't like veggie burgers. Blech. I like turkey burgers. I got myself some Lucky Charms because they're amazing. Some pistachio nuts because they're my favorite. Some goldfish because they're also my favorite. Although I'm kind of digging on the Lucky Charms. This has been a great weekend. Absolutely great. And I actually had a good night's sleep last night. Yeah. Fun times. Ew, cancer stick. Ugh.
Ooh, I like your hair down.
Thank you. And it's in the sun now. I'm so pale. The yard. So nice out. Beautiful day. And I will be taking more videos later when I'm awake.